program is called Amazon Expressions. Every month what we do is we have a new set of faculty coming in and looking at a new area of art and technologies.
They are an opportunity for the general public and Amazonians to learn some new creative, cool things.
It's really a nice collaboration between the community, and the community, again, the way this works is on Wednesday we're inside Amazon HQ2 from 4:30 to 6:30, and then on Thursday we're out in the community at the Torpedo Factory. We've had folks ranging from AI and creative writing. We've had folks that are looking at, believe it or not, taking waste products, converting them to paint, and then painting with them.
We experience spatial audio created with a quadraphonic system. This is just giving people a little bit of experience of how they can use technologies to gain a little bit more control and start to think about those creating experiences from an artistic as well as a technological perspective.
I love it. I really love it. Because I love art, I love people, and doing something good to the planet is a great joy to me.